Okay friend, this is the web application which I created to analyze the engine testing data. Okay, this I created on the Python framework. Let me explore this. Okay, there is the dashboard which opened after login. You can see here the for today date it shows the all test attempt, engine count and repeated test attempt for the shift wise. Okay, this is the tabular data. Now you can see the graph, okay, bar graph here for each test cells. Okay, it gives the values also when the cursor goes on the bar. Okay, now you can see this is a single count or single engine test attempt, means one engine tested two times, so it counts here only one engine. So if one engine tested two times, it gives the two repeated attempts, means so two repeated attempts were done here, like this. It gives the value here. Here is the engine testing time total, means from here you can get the information how much hours your test cell was running. This is the another dashboard which gives the same test statics, but for the previous date. You can select the date here and you can select the statics here, like here I selected a total test attempts. Okay, for it gives the all shift data. Okay, now I selected a single engine count attempt. Okay, it gives the value for the single engine count attempt. Hmm. I can, so you can see I can see the shift wise data, or I can see the collectively data also. It gives the values for each and every test cells. Okay, now this is the okay. So this gives means if you can select the previous date also here. Another tab, you can search here the single test report for any engine. You want to see the what is the test report for that particularly test, you can search by the engine serial number. Now you go to the particularly test. Now this display the test performance report. Another one is the multiple engine data, means if you want to see collectively uh, test reports for the many engines which were tested during certain period. You can select all the test cell, or the choice can be implemented. Here you can select any parameter, or all parameter can be selected. Now you can see the completely report here. Now you can transfer this or export this as a CSV also. Okay, now another one's important is box plot. The box plot is very means useful for analysis. Here I select the date here. Okay, I select the all test cell. It's depend how much test cell you want to select, and I select one parameter and the select steps here. Now it shows the per box plot for this filter criteria. Uh, with this box plot you can see the variation between the test cells. For example, here I selected a torque for rated, so it gives the variation. This cell is not running right now, that gives the values indicates like this. Now every box plot gives the box it shows the box plot values also, median, quarter 1, quarter 3. Okay, so it gives the values also. So it gives means you can analyze from here which cell has having a more variation, or which are drifting from the mean, means average values of all test cells. So this gives the uh, very good information about the variation between the test cell. Okay, you can export this graph also, or from here. Let me show. Wait. No, this is the dashboard. I come back to the dashboard and refresh it. It gives the main page. We are coming to the main page now. It's shows the our current running